What is up, you guys? Welcome back to part 4 of my Decorate With Me series for the fall and autumn season. This is the last video of the series, but I am definitely planning on doing a Decorate With Me for the outside, so stay tuned for that, probably within the next week or so. Today we are going to be decorating downstairs in the family room, so I'm just going to keep this intro super short and begin decorating. I hope that you guys enjoy this one, and let's get started.
Someday I'm gonna build myself a home, complete with love as a cornerstone. There'll be no anger to shake the wall, be no space for loneliness at all. 7 in the morning, down for a swim, run to the ocean, jump right in, back in the car with a soggy hound. These boys are finding out what life's about. A tiny thought engages me, tells me that it's not to be. Thought gets bigger as the day goes on. She comes home and I resume the song. Out in the wave I can hear the moan of the days I've lost or never known.
Alright, so that about does it for my final Decorate With Me for this fall and autumn season. Like I said, stay tuned for that Decorate With Me for the front yard. I so enjoyed this series. I loved interacting with you guys and all of your sweet and positive feedback. I really appreciate that. I will absolutely be doing a Decorate With Me for the Christmas season. I also have a few more fall related videos that will be up on my channel, and I am definitely considering doing an in-depth home tour, an updated home tour. So stay tuned for all of that. I hope that you guys enjoyed this series as much as I did, and I hope that if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, that you will please hit that subscribe button down below and join my YouTube family. Also, if you could give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate that as well. As always, I would love to talk with you guys in the comment section, so please feel free to say hello down there, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care and have a beautiful, wonderful fall, autumn season.